Congratulations on that win today, Jordan. What do you make of that performance today from the boys?
Yeah, it's never going to be easy against the Guilsfield side. They've got a lot of experienced players, but I thought first off we weren't great, but we battled through it and come in 1-0 up, which was always a positive. And then second half, I asked us to be better with the ball, but also better at supporting play from defence to attack, getting bodies forward. I think we did that really well.
Yeah, so obviously come on, being my debut first game. Obviously my cousin scored the first one, I've come on, scored the second one, and then my brother's got the third one. So it was a good day all round.
Wel, mae rhaid i fod yn onest, da ni wedi colli 6 gem, a colli y ffordd da ni wedi colli heddiw. O'i chydyd na lot gwell na ni heddiw, oedd o'n isio'r gem fwy na ni, ac yn siomedig iawn efo'r bechgyn. Blaw, oedd o'n mynd i ddigwydd, sbledd yn mynd i ddigwydd, a pa ffordd oedd o'n mynd i ddigwydd. Beth mwyaf i fi heddiw hefyd oedd yr amser ar gem, newid y gem i hanner awr wedi 3, colli 4 hogiau y tîm, 2 o hogiau fysa wedi dechrau heddiw. A dwi'n mynd deall pam oedd y gem wedi cael ei symud a pam oedd y gem yma wedi cael ei newid i hanner awr wedi 3. Ac yr tir, obviously, y gem bala a Gaernarfon yn chwarae cyn ni, ond dwi'n mynd deall.